Yesterday, mate, keeping nice and busy.
Yes, it is definitely a big day, and also let me unmute. Okay, let me unmute. Okay, something weird happened this week or last week, and I'll show you why. Okay, I'll show you why how the crypto market is really changing. First, you see Bitcoin. I've been saying that Bitcoin likes to play games with our hearts. Okay, it like went down, and while gold was going down, okay, was falling gold, like went down, teases us, okay, maybe I'm gonna break, maybe I'm gonna retest that CME gap again, which it hasn't, and then suddenly pulls back up again. Okay, what's going on here? You know, and then not only that, you see here Ethereum, okay, Ethereum does the same thing, obviously. Yep, pulls down, pulls up again towards the end of the week. So something clearly is going on here. So suddenly, and all of this was happening, Bitcoin and Ethereum and the entire crypto market was going up while the dollar index is going up. That's kind of weird, right? So what's happening here? Okay, we see the NASDAQ. Yes, the NASDAQ is going up also. But again, in order for this to happen, there has to be a lot of demand for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the crypto space. So let me show you another interesting coin or crypto that in the 2017 bull run was really hot. It's called NEO. And what NEO is, it is essentially the Chinese Ethereum. It's a big coin. It is a very high capitalized coin. Kind of lost its way. In fact, now if you talk about the Chinese Ethereum, it's not even NEO, it's IOST. But I think a lot of people still remember NEO and the good old days. Okay, so you see here, while the market was going down, while the crypto market was correcting, NEO has a habit, it's going up, correcting, going up again, it corrected and then went up again. So this NEO demand has something to do what it did, you know, because when a Bitcoin announces something and something is really happening, and what NEO announced several weeks ago, and there was a lot of buying here on NEO. I didn't see this until I saw the statistics. I was quite surprised. I'm going to show you the statistics on Ethereum and on Bitcoin. What's going on? Well, NEO released a farm on NEO, and previously it was all Ethereum, right? But when NEO did it, guess what? This is the NEO farm. It's called Flamingo. And someone, Brian Lee, yeah, Brian answered the quiz correctly, right? I said it was the bird farm. Well, it was on NEO. It's a very important farm. NEO is from China, by the way, Da Hongfei. And look, they pulled in like 1.3 billion US. And that's why you saw that surge, right, in NEO here, which is this. And look, they even included BTC, Bitcoin, and they even have Ethereum in there. So I think this is amazing. And USDT is actually a US dollar coin. It's pegged to the US dollar that's also running on Ethereum. And this demand, and look at this, they can even stake on Binance and OKB, and all of these went up. And 1.3 billion is such a big number. It shows you that in the crypto space, it's really different now. There are people now that are looking for yield. And I think this is what's attracting the not new kids, probably these guys are more mature people, mature investors into the crypto space to actually keep NEO, WBTC, and WETH on a farm. So let me explain to you what WBTC is. It's wrapped BTC, because, you know, when NEO is a separate blockchain than Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we had a good day that day, right? I think yesterday we tried to transfer Ethereum. It was quite quick. And then we tried to transfer Bitcoin, and I think we all forgot about it, right? Because it took so long to transfer Bitcoin, because, you know, the technology for Bitcoin is really lagging behind Ethereum. But what NEO has done is with this WETH and WBTC, it has allowed people to put WBTC and WETH onto the NEO blockchain, okay? Before this, you can't put the natural Bitcoin and you can't put the natural Ethereum there. So doing a farm is quite complicated, okay, guys? You have to convert it first before it can go on other blockchains. But yeah, I already said that I would set a farm. So I'm just going to show you an example of a farm I'm not sure about the yield yet, but 1.3 billion says a lot of things, right? It shows that a lot of people are expecting big yields for this. So am I. And this is my farm now. Now, Flamingo is going to be listed on Binance on Monday, so we'll only know the yields then. I think it will start with close to 1,000% per annum yield. So I already put in this 5890 US dollars. You see here, I have my NEO. It's not even NEO, okay? Again, for farming, you have to have different type of cryptos than the normal ones. I have Ontology here. So how it started was NEO was the public blockchain. Ontology was the private blockchain. And look at this, guys. It's given birth to how many? Okay, now I have 81 flamingo birds. So we'll see. We don't have the APY yet, but we will have the estimates of the annual yield possibly on Monday when this gets listed on Binance. So it's something that's really very, very different. And all of these are really driving up the value for all these coins. So that's good because while the US dollar is going up and all this, gold is going down, I was expecting Bitcoin to go down. Nope. There are other reasons why it's going up, and it's good that the crypto space is bringing in a new type of investor. Okay, Paul, any questions?
No, mate, no questions.
I've got a question, Shukri.
Yeah.
Did I hear you say 1,000% yield in a year?
Yes, 1,000% yield in a year. And I'm just comparing with another Chinese coin. The one that came before this was something called TRX, which is Tron. They started with 1,000% yield. Now, this is how 1,000% yield works, okay? And this is how this is why, Paul, there's a rush to buy this, Ethereum, and all these things also. And it happened on a Thursday that day, because when it starts with 1,000% yield, it usually goes down like that. So those who are early birds here get the cream of the yields. Now, if you wait a month, it goes down and goes down and goes down. So currently the strategy is now and when you're a farmer, it's a very advanced strategy. It's not like we're waiting to go to the moon. No, if we can catch the early yields here, guess what? We find another farm with a similar yield. We find another farm with a similar yield. And if you're good at that, you are going to get 1,000% a year. You won't get 1,000% a year sitting here alone, because this thing will go down. But as farmers now, if you can find 10 good cryptos that give 1,000% yield a year, you're going to get that 1,000%. And that's what we're doing. We have to be fast and nimble.
Okay. Sounds a lot. That's more than the banks give, right?
Yeah. But we'll see next week, Paul. I'll report on this because I have an actual figure that I put in, and this will be listed on Monday. So at least it will tell our audience, hey, crypto is not only about mooning or trading or investing, it's also about looking for the yields. And when it comes to yields, a lot of people that are more mature and have more gray hair are very interested, okay? It's not only for the young guys now.
Yeah. Cheers, Shukri. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
We're going to go to Ainslie and do gold. Thank you. And we look forward to the update on it, Shukri, to see how you go. PH, you're going to